Good morning, students. Hope you are all doing good. These days, you have fixed timetables and all, and you are doing your work regularly. You must have formed good habit by now of doing all the work according to the timetable, sitting at home comfortably, listening to the teachers. So your copies must be in good condition during this term. Maybe we meet soon. Coming to the chapter we have to do today, it is lesson 11 of your stepping stone, a boy who knew not fear. As the title shows, knew not fear. That is, you must have the courage, the spirit of courage. You must be brave. Only then you can live confidently. So the theme of the story here is overcoming fear. There are so many odds, difficulties, hardships in our lives, but a person who comes up like a great hero out of all these odd situations is a successful person. So here, this lesson, the story about Admiral Nelson's life, it also brings in front of you the importance of bravery, importance of overcoming fear. ना डर तो आती है, बट हमें उनको कैसे कंट्रोल करना है, कैसे रेगुलेट करना है अपनी लाइफ को, that is more important. We shouldn't have fear of anything in the world. That is, if you are moving on good path, no fear should be there. So, alongside courage also, you should have the strong feeling of taking up things, of taking initiative, of solving things. But in this process, you must not harm others. You must love your fellow beings. And giving respect also to your fellow beings. Now the story is about Horatio Nelson, Admiral Nelson. How was his life? This will put in front of you some example that this is how you can also deal with life and the events. Horatio Nelson was born in 1758. Right from the time he was a little boy, he amazed everyone by saying he didn't know what fear was. तो वो एक ही बात कहता था, मुझे नहीं पता डर क्या होता है. His leadership skills were evident. They were very much in front of you. They were सबको सामने नजर आती थी, proved थी कि वो किसी से नहीं डरता, और उसमें लीडरशिप की क्वालिटी भी थी कि लोगों को इकट्ठा करना, अपने अंडर कह के काम कराना, है ना, वो वाली बातें थी उसमें. He once plucked pears from his friends from a forbidden pear tree, pear tree, जहाँ पे मना था कि यहाँ से नहीं तोड़नी, वहीं से तोड़ता है. When he was in school, but what did he do with the pears? He gave them away, all away, not even keeping one for himself. पर उसने क्या करा? वो अच्छा करा, लोगों को प्यार से उसने जिनको जरूरत थी उनको खिला दी. Saying he had only done the deed because no one had the courage to do it. कि किसी का हौसला नहीं था कि जो forbidden tree है वहां जाए और वो pears तोड़े और अपने fellows को खिलाए. When they were boys, once Horatio and his brother William had to go through deep snow to reach school. Their father told them to make one more attempt to reach the school, but if it it would be safe. If it's unsafe, then come back. So his father's guidelines were these कि जाओ try करो, but अगर unsafe है then come back from halfway, है ना, कि आधे रास्ते से वापस आ जाओ. He left the decision to their owner. तो पर उसको लगा कि उन्होंने बड़े ऑनर से ना, बड़े रिस्पेक्ट से भेजा है कि जाओ स्कूल. William wanted to go back home, but Horatio chose to make that attempt and reached school despite the difficulty on his way. No? But she covered all obstacles on the way to his school, though it was a very risky, hilly area, and the weather was also not suitable. When he was 12 years old, Nelson decided to serve in Navy under his uncle, Captain Suckling. His uncle considered Nelson to be weak and sickly. His father put him on a Royal Navy ship, Reasonable. His uncle was not on the ship, and Nelson had to face severe hardship and harshness from the officers. अब जो officers जो थे वहाँ ship पे जो worker थे, you know, they were not they never loved him. They never took care of him. In opposite, what did they do? They treated him badly, actually. But his difficulties did not discourage him. He went on to lead a voyage for the discovery of the North Pole. वो अपने aim पे, अपने route पे North Pole की तरफ आगे बढ़ता गया, forgetting about the behavior of officers there on the ship. The team was stuck in the ice. Nelson was sent ahead to find a way into the open water. He saved the life of a crew of another boat from an attack of walruses. Walruses वो sea जो animal है, उससे वो दूसरी किसी बोट में कोई जा रहा था, तो उसने being a good human being, उसने उसको बचा दिया. By the time he was 21-year-old, he was commander and had gathered several honors of the service. है ना? तो कहीं ना कहीं तो आपको good deeds की, courage की, hardships को cover करने की, कहीं ना कहीं तो आपको reward मिलता है जाके, है ना? ये तो नहीं है कि नहीं मिलता. Nelson is remembered because he was the best loved man in the British Navy. Best loved, that everyone liked him. He was favorite with so many people around him. Now, he lost an arm and now he was in army. तो वहाँ किसी war में what happened that he lost his arm, one arm, है ना, and the sight of one eye in the battle. When he was wounded in the Battle of Trafalgar, the entire nation fell into grief. अब सारा देश, because he was favorite with everyone, so सारा देश शोक में समा गया, है ना, सबको बहुत दुख हुआ. For the country's noblest, most beloved of men was in grave danger. Grave danger is that he was in serious danger. His life was in risk. He is remembered today for being one of the most inspirational, courageous and noble of men. अब उसको एक ऐसा अच्छा नोबल आदमी माना जाता है. ये शायद आपका जो लेसन जहाँ से बिगिन हो रहा है वहाँ पे है कि एक ट्रेफल्गर स्क्वायर एक पब्लिक प्लेस बना हुआ है वहाँ पे एंड अ टूरिस्ट अट्रैक्शन है सेंट्रल लंदन में. Well, he is remembered over there like this. He is considered a hero over there. So you can also write a para on who is a hero in your life, you know, whom you want to follow, whose motives, whose ambitions you feel that I should also be like him, your role model, right? So you will go through the original story I have given you some tips, and later we will discuss the question answers. Thank you.